I finished the big update to the outdoor do-it-yourself grow towers around the end of September. By the start of October, I had 2 nearly full towers with a mixture of plants I started from seed, as well as seedlings I purchased and some plants that survived through the summer. Then, on the first week of November, the temps took a dive from the 80s down to the 50s overnight. This brought winds with 50 to 60 mile-an-hour gusts that lasted for almost a week. The plants in both towers took a beating. Bell peppers blew off, my broccoli was stripped of leaves, tomatoes fell, branches broke. It wasn't good. The pole beans and cucumbers could not handle the temperature drop and they stopped flowering, as did the strawberries as well. Before the end of November, I ended up getting rid of a lot of plants and consolidating to just one tower. So I cut my losses and splurged for a $22 fruit tree cover from Amazon, which I must say has worked extremely well. So that brings us to the present, which is the second week of January 2021. The weather report for this upcoming weekend has highs in the 70s again. The plants are all confused. Some tomatoes are ripening. There are some massive tomatoes on this plant that I see have blossom rot, or maybe they could be victims of this thief who I caught stealing my peppers and tomatoes. I did get some nice bell peppers before they all blew off. The spinach is still growing nicely. I think these are cabbage. Everything here should be harvestable as the weather warms up and the days slowly get longer. So basically, this fall's winter harvest was really a bust. Overall, the new platform eliminated a lot of problems with stability during the high winds. It solved most of the cleaning issues I had previously as well. And it also looks a hell of a lot better. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.